Hi guys, this is Brian, the old handyman. I was downstairs here in my basement and I noticed there was a screw missing on the floor, black screw. I think it came out of my couch here. I got it tipped up. I noticed there's a couple missing. This little bar that helps hold the footrest. So, this should be a pretty easy fix, but I only see one screw. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of glue. It doesn't look like the hole's stripped out. Put a little bit of glue in the hole before I put it back in. Be careful I don't get too much all over the chair here. Get enough down in that hole. So hopefully it'll stay in there good. Now since that other one's missing, I'm gonna have to find me another one. Okay, I found my little box that has all my little screws and stuff in it, extras that I have. So I need to find one here that's not too long. I'll go through the back of it, preferably a black one. I'm going to let that sit before we use it for a minute. So, several hours. So, that's all fixed. Pretty easy fix. Hey, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Have a good day.